Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Saturday, March 13th, 2021. It is 8:43 and 14 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, motion sickness. So let's hop to it here. Predicting motion sickness severity from virtual reality. Date March 9th, 2021. Source, New York University. Summary. A new study explored why the severity of motion sickness varies from person to person by investigating sources of cyber sickness during VR use. In the new study, variations of visual sensitivity predict motion sickness in virtual reality, published in the Journal of Entertainment Computing. Researchers use VR headsets to simulate visual cues and present videos that induce moderate levels of motion sickness. Researchers found that a person's ability to detect visual cues predicted the severity of motion sickness symptoms. Specifically, discomfort was due to a specific sensory cue called motion parallax, which is defined as the relative movement of different parts of the environment. A previously reported source of variability in motion sickness severity, gender, was also evaluated but not confirmed. The researchers conclude that previously reported gender differences may have been due to poor personalization of VR displays, most of which default to male settings. These findings suggest a number of strategies to mitigate motion sickness in VR, including reducing or eliminating specific sensory cues and ensuring device settings are personalized to each user. Understanding the sources of motion sickness, especially while using technology, not only has the potential to alleviate discomfort, but also to make VR technology a more widely accessible resource for education, job training, healthcare, and entertainment. As the researchers tested sensitivity to sensory cues, a robust relationship emerged. It was clear that the greater an individual's sensitivity to motion parallax cues, the more severe the motion sickness symptoms. It is our hope that these findings will help lead to the more widespread use of powerful VR technologies by removing barriers that prevent many people from taking advantage of its potential. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. Well, hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.